folks. Great job.
I've been very fortunate to be included in a project where I had the guidance of teaching the technicality and bringing pictures to their attention of these nice children who are from India, and they had described in their work the animals of India, like the birds and the dolphins and lions and butterfly and monkeys and the elephant, and they created a very beautiful picture of their native country. And these are the names of the children: Safira, Shalena, Sophia and Dylan, and the parents are Neil and Sharon Prakash.
Safira and you? Sophia.
I'm Shalina.
Selena and you?
Dylan.
Yeah.
Oh, welcome.
I'm Dylan.
Welcome to the Indian restaurant.
So we all made this picture and each of us added something different to it, and we painted a landscape of an Indian rainforest, and the Ganges River is flowing through it.
And what'd you paint?
So I painted some of, I did the elephants here, decorated how the Indian people decorate them, the waterfall, the jaguars, the langur monkeys, the dolphins, and the peacock family.
Okay, now what did, who's next? Tell me what you painted, whoever's next.
I did the Bengal tigers and the snakes, and I also helped with the Ganges River and the dolphins, and I also did a lot of the plants.
A lot of the what?
The plants.
We did the plants. Very good. Now, who's next? Are you next?
I drew this jungle owlet. It's an Indian owl.
Oh, you did this owl. Oh, how nice.
And I did the rainbow.
Oh, beautiful.
And I did some jungle leaves too.
You did these leaves? Okay. With the owl? Okay. Anything else? And you, young man, what did you do?
I did these plants, and I did the butterflies.
Oh, I love it.
And I did these fish, all the fish I did, and the tadpoles, I did all the tadpoles at the frog spawn, and I did these, the cattails and horsetails I did, and that's all I did.
Very good. Beautiful. I love your work. Good job. Thank you. Wonderful. Masterpiece.